Ever feel each new venture is just another disappointment? It's exhausting. You're smart and determined, but things haven't stuck. Now, picture an AI-driven system that turns local business needs into your income stream with 40% recurring commissions. You guide businesses to a proven platform that takes care of everything. No complex learning curve, no tech skills needed. I'm showing you this because I get it. You know, it's not a sales pitch, just a path forward. Let's pull the screen up and walk through it.
So now that you kind of understand the lay of the land here and that you've smashed the like button, you shared this video with a friend, and dropped a comment down below so you can get my free step-by-step guide with no high-ticket coaching program or upsells or anything like that. Let me just show you guys the simple business in a nutshell right here. So what we're doing, like I mentioned, is we're working with small local business owners, literally any type of business owner in your area, a restaurant owner, a massage therapist, dentist. Then we're sending them to a simple marketing software where we're having them just get set up on a free trial where the marketing software does all of the setup, onboarding, support, everything for us so that when a client converts into a paying member, this is truly passive income that you're making on a monthly recurring basis. And the cool thing about this software is they pay out 40% recurring commission for the life of that customer as long as they're staying on the software, which is honestly one of the most lucrative sales commissions that I have ever seen, and why this software company has now paid out over $78 million to people just like you and me that are referring small business owners to their software. So with that said, let me just show you guys exactly how I would go through and find these small local business owners to then send to this marketing software. And I'll show you guys a little bit behind the scenes of the one simple service that this marketing software can set up for these small local business owners so that you can profit on a monthly ongoing basis. So the first thing that we're going to do here is I'm just going to pull up Google. And the cool thing about Google is we can find literally any type of small local business owner anywhere in the world, and this is going to work for all of them. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm just going to type in a plumber in Portland, Oregon. And then once we hit enter, what it's going to do is going to pop up all the businesses. Obviously, these businesses have gone through and paid to be at the top. That's why they're sponsored results. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit more. We're going to see another sponsored result right here. And then we're going to see some more organic listings. And then if we click on more businesses, it's going to pop up even more plumbers in this area. And these red dots are obviously all the different plumbers in the Portland, Oregon area. And guys, like I said, this works for any type of business owner, any area, any city, it doesn't really matter. Now, the simple service that I like to go through and offer, which is a really easy service to relay the value to these business owners, and also if you're setting them up with a free trial, free setup, free one-on-one kickoff call, it's kind of a no-brainer to jump in and get started. But if you look at all of these businesses over here, they have their phone number listed. However, statistics show that 62% of calls go unanswered, which if they're missing 62% of the calls, what's happening is if you need to work with a plumber, they're going to go call this first business. And if they don't answer, which is more than likely, they're going to call the next one and then the next one and then next one. So for example, like this business up here, they're paying to be at the top of the search engines, but if they're not picking up the phone, that is wasted money that they're paying to show up at the top. And so what we want to do is set them up with a simple service called an AI employee, whereas if somebody misses a call, if one of these businesses misses a call, then the AI employee is actually going to pick up the phone, take down their name, their phone number, their email address, what their primary concern is, and then book an appointment on the calendar, even if the business owner is busy doing their jobs. So I just actually want to demo this for you really quick so you guys can see exactly how this service works. So here's a test business that this software company already set up so you guys can see exactly how this service works, that literally every small local business owner in the world could benefit from this simple service. So I'm just going to give them a call. And remember, this is just a test business so you can kind of see how this works.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hey, you have reached Instant Electrician Service. How can I help you today?
Yeah, my lights are out in my basement.
Oh no, that sounds frustrating. Let's get this sorted out for you. Could I start by getting your name, please?
Jason Wardrop.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Jasonwardrop. Is that correct?
Yep, that's right.
Great, thanks, Jason. Could you also provide your email address so we can keep in touch?
Yeah, it's JWAR jwar1088@gmail.com.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is jwar1088@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yep, that's right.
Awesome, thanks. So your lights are out in the basement. Anything else you'd like to add about the issue?
No, just the lights are out. I'm not sure how to get them back on.
Got it. We'll have someone reach out to help you with that. Our team will get back to you soon. Thanks for calling, Jason. Have a great day.
I mean, how cool was that? That is going to be a simple service to sell anybody. A plus if it's a free trial, plus free boot camp, plus free one-on-one kickoff call, and you can easily demonstrate the value to these small local business owners. And then they do all the setup. They do all of the onboarding, fulfillment, ongoing customer support, and then you would just collect a 40% monthly recurring commission check for the price of the software every single month, as long as a small business owner stays on the software, which once they have a simple service like this set up, they're never going to want to leave. And the cool thing about this is it's also a CRM that manages all of the business owner's contacts. And so as this AI employee is taking down the name, the phone number, email address, and why they're calling in, it's automatically populating and updating that contact information inside of the marketing software for this small business owner. So this is going to be a total game changer for the small business owner. Plus, there are dozens of other simple features that this marketing software will then go in and hook up and set up for this business owner, so they'll never want to cancel. So if you like this business model as much as I do, go ahead and smash the like button, share this video with a friend who would either want to do this themselves or do this with you, and then drop a comment down below once you've gone through and done that, and I'll share with you a private link to unlock my free step-by-step course showing you several ways to go through and get clients, kind of the sales script of how to go through and pitch to these clients. Even though it's a free trial, I'll show you guys exactly what to say, how to set this all up, so you can refer more people to this software and increase the amount of money that you're making on a monthly recurring basis of pretty passive income. As you can see right here, I don't believe that anything is truly passive, but once you go through and send the person to the software and they get set up, literally, it's 100% passive from there. And every single month, you can get on another client or 5 clients or 10 clients. And then if those clients stay on the software, which most likely they will because they're seeing massive value from the software of helping them get more clients and save more deals, then you could take an entire month off and still collect the monthly commission checks from sending these people, these small business owners, to the software. So that's why I think it's a total game changer, and I want to go through and share this with you guys and help you get started with this simple business model. Like I said, it's 100% beginner friendly. You don't need any prior marketing experience, 0 tech skills, and literally 0 money to get started. And you can start making these monthly recurring commission checks just for sending people to a free trial to get set up for free, jump on a one-on-one kickoff call for free so they can help grow their business. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.